Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome. In my channel, what I do is usually try to not throw any of the glass bottles and the plastic and the can and try to reuse it and to convert that into a nice home decor project or maybe like something like useful organizational stuff. So yeah, this is what I do in my channel, and I think that that's my contribution towards the environment, to helping them keep it green. So here I am using two of the items that I used. One is the jam bottle. This is a glass bottle I actually hand painted white with apple barrel white, which I got from Dollar Tree, and to save some time. And this is, I'm trying to convert into a nice flower vase. And what I'm trying to do here is the shells, the pistachio shells. I don't throw this as well because it's a nice craft product. I'm trying to give like a nice flower shape. So the plan is to arrange the pistachio shells like this, like a 4-petal, and then put the pearl in the center like that, and then stick it on the top of the vase, and like a drooping flowers. I don't know, I like the drooping flower effect of the flower vase, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to cover the mouth of the bottle with a nice decorative trim. I'll think about what color goes well with that. And this is the look that I want to give for this jam bottle. And for this one, this is a nail polish remover bottle from Dollar Tree. So this is the one. I just want to show the sample. That's where I got that. So I used this. So I don't want to throw this plastic. This is plastic. So I wanted to use this and to give a nice look to this as well. So I also painted apple barrel white to save some time on it. So what I'm planning to do for this one is, I got these two colors from Dollar Tree again. This one is like a Caribbean blue apple barrel, and this one is, sorry about the noise, and this one is like a peachy pink. And what the plan is, like, I'm going to put like patches of blue and the pink everywhere, and then give like a nice gradient effect to it using the sponge dabbers that I got from Dollar Tree. So this one, and also after I give that look to the bottle, this is a glass paint pen I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to draw a design on top of this bottle. So that's the effect that I want to give to this one. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show the updates periodically. This is a quick update, you guys. This is the jam bottle decor that I was trying to give a vase look to it. And what I did while we're gone was, like, I just stuck the burlap ribbon which I got from Dollar Tree, and just basically to cover the grooves of the bottle, and also it gives like a neat look to like a vase, like a decorated vase as well. So what I did also is, like, I stuck the pistachios like in a drooping flower effect. I started from the neck of the bottle, and in the corner I was just trying to give like a drooping effect like this. So this is the thing that I did, and what I'm going to do further is I'm going to go ahead and paint this pistachios white with the same apple barrel white paint which I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm planning to do is, like, stick these pearls in the center of the flower after I'm done with the painting white. And then I'm also planning to put the borders of the flower with this golden paint. And also I got this eyeshadow loose powder, this also from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to shimmer around the bottle to give like a nice decorative bottle look to it. And the paintbrush is from Dollar Tree also, so I'm going to use this paintbrush to decorate everything. So this is the update on this one. And for the nail polish remover bottle, I also painted the Caribbean blue, and I also have the peachy pink in center somewhere, and then smudged actually together, so to give this bottle this kind of a look to it. So what I'm going to do is, after it gets dried, I'm going to use this glass pen and I'm going to draw nice flowers on it. So yeah, I'll be back. Hi, welcome back. So what I did was I just painted all the shells that I stuck, and I also painted it white. And what I'm doing is I just mix this golden color, and I also mix this shimmer in the painting, and I'm bordering it out. So there you have it, guys. I just painted the pistachios border with golden paint and loose shimmer eyeshadow powder, shimmering eyeshadow powder. And what I did also is like added the shimmer powder in the center of this, all the shells, to give the glowing effect like that. And next I'm going to do is stick the pearls in the center of the flower. Isn't that pretty? So there you have it, guys. This is my jam bottle converted into a flower vase using the pistachio shells and the things that I have around the house, which are all bought from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. Maybe I'm just going to decorate it just like that. I'm not going to put any flowers or anything, and I'm just going to leave it like that. It's so pretty. You know, the things that you can throw it into the trash, I converted that into something, a home decor piece. So I hope you like it. So let's get into the other project. You know, the nail polish remover bottle that I said that I was painting with Caribbean blue and peachy pink. So I just painted everywhere like a pop of colors, and then I smudged the center to give even out and to give a gradient look around the bottle. And what I'm going to do now is, using this glass paint pen, I'm going to draw lotus. So there you have it, guys. I completed the painting. I just started the lotus blooming out from the murky water like that, and then a couple of lotuses are also flowing out of the bunch, and there's another lotus to cover. Like, it's a continuous art going like that. and this one is going out like this. So I covered the whole bottle like as a continuous art. So yeah, this is the lotus I wanted to give. I love lotuses. The reason is because the lotus is a symbol of purity and knowledge, and also it is considered in most of the cultures as like an analogy of human behavior, which I mean is like, you know, being in a murky water, lotus is still blooming out with shining colors up on the water. So a man should be like that, or a human should be like that. So that's what it's analogous to, that kind of an behavior. So that's why lotus is considered very special in so many cultures. And I love the color and the shine and the appearance of the lotus by itself as well. So yeah, that's why I chose lotus, and I love lotus for that reason. So yeah, this is a drawing on lotus on the bottle. This is actually a nail polish remover bottle I usually throw in trash, so I thought, like, you know, I may use it as one of the piece of the art, so I could. And this is a jam bottle and decorated as a vase with the pistachio shells. And yeah, I'm very glad that I didn't throw the jam bottle and the nail polish remover bottle, and I used it. So what I was thinking, like, it could inspire others also to not throw these bottles and reuse it. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. So yeah, this is the two bottles that I decorated, and the review about the nail paint is like the step 1 and step 2. I tried on my nails. I wish my nails were longer, and I totally love it. So yeah, this is the review on this nail polish that I got from Dollar Tree. So there you have it, guys. I'm very happy how it turned out, those two projects, and I also hope that you also enjoyed along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.